Negative feedback may use an amplifier circuit state. What is mean negative feedback? I think we already answer this question. Kayaknya pernah we already answer. Negative feedback if this one ya, part of op-amp ya is return to inverting output. Kalau bagian output dari op-amp ini kembali lagi ke inverting inverting input ya. Oke. Or fraction of the output is added to input signal or of fase 180 inverting input. Then two effects of negative feedback on the amplifier incorporating operation amplifier. Effect of negative feedback is about negative feedback, you can see in 393 page 393 on the page 300. This is some explanation on there, and we have the answer is this is can increases bandwidth increases bandwidth. Band labor width. And then the second one, they can reduce distortion. Reduce distortion. And the other one also about stability, stability or greater stability. Yes. Okay, that's it. Continue again. This B. I think this is about gain. Okay. The gain of amplifier. Okay, figure 9.1 is a circuit for an amplifier that is used with a microphone. Microphone. The output potential is 4.4, and when the potential point P is 62 millivolt, determine the gain of amplifier. The gain, again, this is about ratio between 4.4 or V out divided by V input ya. So kalau kita bagi ya gain ya or GO ya, in the book we output voltage ya divided by input voltage ya, or GO ya, gain is output voltage is 4.4 divided by, this is millivolt, so we can say 0.062 ya in volt. Kalau kita bagi GO, this is equals to 4.4 divided by 0.062, 70.96, yeah, around 71. Yeah, I think this is we round up 71. Yeah, times. Yeah. Okay, this is the gain is, yeah, and you can see this formula is on page 393 also ini. Yeah. If you want to see the formula is in on your book, ya, ini page 393. Okay, I hope you understand ya. Then after this, on the next page. Ya. Okay, gain 71 ya. I go to the next number. The resistance of
Pak, yang tadi dong Pak, sorry.
Ya.
Saya ke toilet.
Oh ya. Oke.
Oke, makasih Pak.
Oke, nah sekarang gain ini kayaknya akan kita pakai untuk mencari R ya. The resistance of the resistor R. Ya. Ini same thing with formula sebelumnya tentang gain yang rasio between R. Mana ya? This one. Oh. Kok begini ya? Ya Tuhan. GO equals to VO over VI. Yeah. And ratio between VO and VI equals to ratio between R. Yeah. So it's mean we can change this is into R. Okay. X also R. Yeah. Then kita masukkan nilainya. GO is 71, and then R same thing also 120 ya. Ini 120 ya. This 120 kilo ohms ya. 120 kilo ohms. Nanti dapatnya R juga ya. Dapatnya kilo ohm also ya. Divided by R ya. Plus 1. Ini sama aja seperti itu karena dibagi R ya. R over R equals to 1. So dari sini 70 equals to 120 dibagi dengan R. Maka we get R is 120 dibagi 70. 1.71. 1.71, but in kilo ohms ya, kilo. Oke, that's it. Seperti itu ya. Yeah, and C question. The maximum potential produced by the microphone at the point P on the figure 9.1 is 95 millivolt. The power supply for the operational amplifier may be either plus minus 5 or plus minus 9. Yeah. State which power supply should be used. Just for you answer quantity. Sebentar ya. The maximum potential Microsoft point P. Oh. Gini. Kita cari apa sih? 95 milivolt ya. GO kali V. Oh ya. Gini. Gain equals to V output divided by V input. Or V output, yeah. We have gain, and then we have V input 95 millivolt, ya. Berarti kita kali dengan 95 millivolt, ya. V input. So V output kita lihat nilainya berapa, ya. GI is 7.71, ya. Times this millivolt 0.095. Ya, kalau kita kali jadi 71 times 0.095. 6.74 ya. VO 6.745 volt. So what voltage we need to use is plus min 5 millivolt or plus minus 9 volt. Kalau plus minus 5, this is not enough ya. So kalau kita ini adalah jadi yang plus minus 9 volt. Jadi power supply ya, supply not power supply, voltage output atau kita harus membutuhkan supply ya. Supply should be ya yang pakai plus minus 9 volt ya. Karena ternyata V outputnya dia minta sekian ya. Kalau minus 5 plus minus 5 ini not enough ya. Oke, that's it. Oke, silakan tulis atau copy. We will go to the question 9 ya. Maybe after around 2 or 3 minutes. Ya. Oke, as usual, we continue until 9:10 ya. Jadi nanti kalian recess di 9:10 aja biar tidak terpotong. Oke, continue. Pelan-pelan kita continue. Question 6. Oh, ya kita lihat gini aja. State the name of an electrical sensing device. Yeah. That will respond to change in length and pressure. Okay, length is you can see here 389. Yeah, this is about the metal wire string gauge. Yeah. Nah, ini adalah the metal wire strain gauge, yeah, or They call it as strain gauge. You can see on the 389. Yeah, this is on page 389. Yeah, about strain gauge. Yeah. This is actually metal wire, and metal wire apa dibikin looping gitu ya, seperti itu ya. Okay, this yeah, strain gauge. And the second one about Breezer, yeah, Breezer. I remember this is about crystal piezoelectric, yeah, piezoelectric uh, transducer, yeah. This is yes, piezoelectric transducer. This piezoelectric transducer. Or pita apa pita elektrik ya, piezoelectric transducer. Okay, that's it. Big question on question 6. A relay is sometimes used as output in a sensing circuit. Yeah. The output of the particular sensing circuit either plus 2 volt or minus 2 volt relay. Yeah. Okay. Output relay is actually about output devices. Yeah, we have output devices such as relay, LED, yeah, and the calibrated meter. Yeah. So on relay, yeah, on figure 10.1, draw symbols for the relay and other necessary components, so that the external circuit is switched on only when the output from sensing circuit plus 2. Oh. Oh, you can see on the wait. Yeah, you may see on the page 399. Yeah. Yeah, about the diagram is, yeah, about the diagram is. Okay, the first one, this is need to connect to diode, yeah, to diode, yeah, diode 1 and diode 2. Uh, in here is coil, yeah, and coil connected to diode on the ground. Mm, I think the first one is diode from here, yeah. diode and connecting to coil. Also, we have also diode here. And connecting to other junction of the coil. And the coil is okay, you may see on the diagram in the page 399, yeah, 399, yeah, around like this one, yeah. The output of an inverter connected to a relay. Okay, continue again, yeah. Question 7. Whoa. An operational amplifier op-amp might be used as a comparator. Set the function of comparator. Op-amp comparator. Oh. Yes, you may see this comparator op-amp on the page 389. Yeah. $389, yeah. Wait, I read first. Oh, this is about the sensing, yeah. The sensing is one sensing about the temperature, yeah, about temperature. Function of a comparator is, yeah, to compare. Wait. To Oh. This is to compare to potential, yeah, or voltage, yeah. To compare to potential or voltage. Yeah. Output depends upon which is greater. This is potential and voltage. Yeah. Output depends upon which greater voltage, which yes, output depends upon which is greater. To compare to potential or voltage, ya, untuk melihat mana yang besar. Kalau kita lihat di page ini berkaitan dengan sensing device thermistor and heater, ya. Yes. Okay. See on the graph, yeah, the variation with temperature theta of the resistance R of a thermistor is on figure 9.1. Yeah. Wah, kita harus ke bawah. Oh. Okay, we need to go to next page. I go to the next page, ya. Nah, the thermistor connected into circuit 9.2. The op-amp may be considered to be ideal. Okay. The temperature of thermistor is 10. Determine the resistance of variable resistor X such the output potential V out is 0. Zero. Jangan bohong semua. Sampai di mana tadi kita? The temperature of thermistor is 10. Determine the resistance variable X such as output potential V out 0. Kita kayaknya harus lihat grafik dulu ya. Ketika 10 degree Celsius, resistance of thermistor berapa ketika 10 coba. 10 is in here, this 10, yeah. And find the resistance when the temperature is 10. Ini sini kan ya. Nah, oh setengahnya 2.5 ya. This is 2.5 in kilo ohms. Yeah. So resistance on that temperature, yeah, resistance of thermistor, yeah. Resistor of thermistor is 2.5 kilo ohm. Yeah. This is resistor thermistor to ini ya, X ya, or resistor X, or resistor X is 2.5 kilo ohm. Selalu di ini. Ohm. Oke. Sorry, internet unstable ya. Okay, after this, yeah, question II. The resistance of resistor X is now held constant at the value calculated in 1. Oh, dia constant. Yeah. Describe the change in the output potential V out at the temperature of the thermistor is changed from 5 to 20. Oh my God. 5 to 20, yeah. Describe the change output voltage. Change of V output, yeah. When below 50 degrees Celsius, yeah, this is lower than 1000 degree, so it's mean V negative more than V positive. So V out equals to minus, yeah, minus something, yeah. Sorry. And when then up to 20 degrees Celsius, yeah, at more than degree Celsius, voltage minus lowest than voltage plus, yeah, or V out equals to plus 9 volt, yeah. Yes, this when temperature is 5, yeah, when 5 degree Celsius, when 5 degree, ya, yeah, it's mean ini kan jadi V itu dia kurang dari 10 degree Celsius, ya. Karena kita acuannya adalah 10 degree Celsius ini, ya. Maka dari keadaan ini, maka V negatif, ya, ini, ya, V negatif ini akan lebih besar daripada V positifnya. V out equals to minus 9. Ya. Out is minus 9 volt. And then when they have 20 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, it's mean more than, ini kan artinya lebih dari 10 degree ya. Berarti nanti V out-nya adalah plus ya. V out-nya itu yang plus. Plus 9 volt. Yeah, that's it. Nanti V out itu akan switch bergantung pada temperatur ya. Kalau di bawah 10 degree maka dia akan di negatif 9 volt. Kalau di atas 10 degree maka positif 9 volt. Gitu. Jadi dia bergantung dari temperatur ya, bergantung temperatur, tapi nilai acuannya adalah di 10. Kalau dia di minus 5 degrees Celsius, they come to 9 volt, negative 9 volt. And then when 20 degrees Celsius, they come to positive 9 volt ya. Karena acuannya adalah di 10 degree Celsius. Ini yang kemudian kita sebut sebagai pembanding ya, to compare to potential or voltage ya. Dan voltage mana yang besar itu bergantung pada temperatur ya. Temperatur turun they come negatif, temperatur naik they come positif. And the threshold is 10 degrees Celsius ya. Standar they come to positive or negative